Everybody, thank you for checking out our video today at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2009 GMC Yukon Denali, 179,000 miles, just serviced. Drives really good. Running boards are stuck in that position. We disconnected the motors. One works, one doesn't. So just want to point that out as why you see them down right now. But truck drives really good. Super roomy and spacious, very comfortable. A little bit of sun fade on the hood. Overall, she drives really good. Fully loaded, sunroof, nav, backup camera. Has the two captain chairs here in the back with leather with the third row seating, which is in really good shape. Entertainment system there. Rear heated seats. Front cooled seats, front heated seats. The leather's in great shape. It has 179,952 miles. Backup camera, has a blind spot assist. Really a nice SUV, family car. If you're interested in it, give us a holler, 228-438-2056. You can also check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you know somebody who might be interested in this, definitely give us a holler. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicles that are in need of repairs on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, give us a holler. Thanks for checking out this video.